Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this CCFL backlight to our UB54 series LED kits. This kit part number is UB54 255 LD 6420X2 plus 235. Then the part number plus 235 because it comes with a 235 wire adapter. One end connect to here, and the other end can accept. This is original inverter. The other end can accept, the female one accept the assistant inverter wire harness. So basically there's nothing you need to do if you have this kits. This kit is compatible with the 10.4-inch screen. The screen number is, screen's made by Sharp. Screen part number is LQ104V1DG21. To remove the backlight lamp from old CCFL reflector is quite easy. There's two screws on each reflector. 1, 2, 1, 2. Basically, you just unscrew it. 2, and then you can take out the metal cover, and then take out the backlight lamps like this. See, as you can see, this is using a plastic reflector. So when you're using a 54 series, it's a little bit shorter. I would suggest that you purchase additional UB54 heatsink sticks, so you can stick on the back and make it thicker, because we cannot use assistant plastic reflectors heatsink anymore. And besides, there's have much more rooms to mount it. It's quite simple. I'm not sure you can see this light guiding glass, or some people call a plexiglass. You just lay this one in the middle of that. Don't go like this, don't go like too far, because if you go too far, and then this end will be a little bit darker. So you just put it in the center. You light it, put it in the center. Okay? So here you go, we peel out. We're gonna mount another one. We're gonna add one more. Yep, I like this. Peel another one. Make sure you put it in the middle of a center of the plexiglass or light guiding glass. You see this? Okay. Now it's done. We just put the back cover, not the back cover, just put this cover back. Put 2 screws back. One. And we can secure these wires. Okay, take a piece of tape to secure the wires. And get a piece of aluminum foil to cover this hole. Okay. See this? Alright. Okay, so prevent the light bleeding out. Then you're gonna repeat the same procedure on the bottom one. After that, you just you can mount whenever you want a LED driver. Connect this one wire adapter, and then you can mount anyone you want. All our LED driver comes with 2 plastic poles. You can just peel it out and mount it where you want. That's it. Thank you for watching.